At times, while working with filters, we want to apply mathematical operations like sum, average, max, min, etc. to the filtered data. It is not very convenient and we end up doing temporary calculations. The function subtotal provides us amazing flexibility to apply these formulas to filtered data. Let's take a look. In this example, we have the details for a few orders. In the cell B1, we have a simple sum formula, which adds the contents of the cell D4 to D18. Now in the cell D1, we will write the subtotal function. Subtotal. The first parameter is called function number. You can type 1 if you want to calculate average, 2 for count, and so on. For now, I will write 9, which stands for sum. As we move to the next parameter, it says ref1, ref2, and so on. This is like the sum function where we provide number 1, number 2, and so on. So we'll select the range D4 to D18. And our result is same as the cell B1, 9690. So far we see no difference in the output of the sum function and the subtotal function. But let me filter on the data for north. The value in the cell D1 now changes to 3630. The subtotal function is displaying the sum of all the values that are displayed after the data has been filtered. Whereas the sum function continues to show the total despite the filter. Subtotal is currently displaying the sum as we had selected the sum function when we had provided 9 for the first parameter. It will display average, count, max, min, or whichever function you select. As I clear the filter, it shows the sum of all the values again. So that's what the subtotal function does. I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching.